What's up, my G's? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for the new people coming to my channel, my name is Jose. I make life cups of Supreme, Babe, and all those guys. Today we're unboxing a box full of FTP items. So as you can see right there, there's a lot we gotta get into. So let's go. Go guys, we have a total I think of 4 or 5 items that I'm gonna show you. So let's get into the first one. So the first one is gonna be the 10-year FTP cap, as you can see right here. FTP in the white black hat right there that it says, you see that it focus 10 F years. F the population with this little FTP gold tag, like the back, this leather, it's really cool. In the inside we have this FTP gold badge right there. See that it focus, there you go. 10 years, you already know, with this green. Honestly, I would keep this, but it doesn't fit me. It's too short for me, so there you go. Let's go to the next item. That's gonna be the 10-year F beanie. FTP right there with the gold FTP, black beanie with the back. There you go. Honestly, I don't know what it's about, like with beanies and me, but beanies don't really fit me. I don't know why. Beanies don't fit me. But this is like a really cool quality beanie. If they would fit me, I would like actually rock it, but it doesn't fit me. So let's go to the next item. That's gonna be the FTP yo-yo. So you can see in the box there, that focus. Come on, there you go. FTP, but there's nothing else in this logo right here. It's all black. So let's open it up. So it comes just like this. FTP yo-yo, you already know. When I saw this, I wasn't thinking like if to resell it, but I was just thinking to keep it because, you know, so yo-yo and it's cool. I don't know. So I got this and I was like, let's do it. So let me see if I can do it for you guys. See? Well, I couldn't do it, but there you go. That's the FTP yo-yo for you guys. Now this is gonna be difficult, but oh well, I'll do it later. So let's go to the next item. That's gonna be the FTP umbrella. Honestly, I was excited for this one because if you guys don't know, I'm kind of a photographer, and this looks like a good item to take pictures of. And yeah, let's open it for you guys so you guys can see it. Let's go. Open it. As you can see, guys, it says all FTP all over here. And in the inside, there's like a big FTP right here. Honestly, this looks... Sorry guys, so my battery died, so I had to switch it up. But here you guys go. The inside, there you go. The inside is pretty dope. I really like it. And in the outside, honestly, I'll say pretty dope item to have. Know what I'm saying?
Let's try and close this because it's really big. See? There you go, I closed it.
So now let's go to the next item. That's gonna be this FTP backpack with the badge right here in the gold FTP here from 2010 to 2020. So you can see right there, pretty awesome. And in the inside, see, inside has little FTP monograms. I think that's what they call monogram thingies. It looks pretty dope. Alright, so I have the prices on my phone, so let me tell you guys. So this backpack was $52. This beanie was $18. This yo-yo was $8. Pretty cool, I'll say. This cap was $32. Honestly, pretty cool cap. Doesn't fit me, so. And the umbrella is $34. So that, for just that, comes a total of $165. But also there's another item. Let me bring it and I'll show you guys. So there's actually this upside down FTP logo that I got with this order too. But I got that one first and I forgot to count it. And that one came out to $32, guys. Pretty good. Alright guys, I didn't make a proper outro, so thank you guys for watching. Please give it a like, subscribe, and comment below for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. We're on the road to 100 subscribers, so see you guys next time.